Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I got another brand new unboxing for you. Alright guys, so let us get started on today's video. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button, and please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and also don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss another one of these uploads. Now, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into the meat and potatoes of this unboxing and review. So, right here, as you can tell by the box, we got the Social Status collab with the Nike Mac Attack. They're not calling it the Mac Attacks anymore. It is straight up just the Nike Attacks. Well, let's get into it. So, you're going to get the overhead shots down below, but yeah, really cool looking box. You get a pretty special packaging when it comes to these guys. You know, you got the Social Status in the front with the Nike swoosh symbol, which I think is pretty dope. Social Status, serving fresh goods every day. Really cool attention to detail that the Social Status has been doing with a lot of their collabs recently. You're gonna get like the payphone on the one side of the box. You're gonna get like the graded down metal. It's like a convenience store looking, you know, like the outside of it's a closed convenience store. Then it comes over to the front. You're gonna get the Lucky Lottery, the merry-go-round, the ATM, the front door. It's pretty cool. It's a really unique box, really unique theme going around, and I think it is really, really cool. Now, let's get to the size. Size tag reads Nike Attack Special Edition, Summit White, White and Pine Green. Now, the actual name of this collab is technically Summit White, but the theme of it is the status symbol. So I went with a size 11.5. You know, the attacks kind of fit similar to an Air Jordan 1 or the Airship, stuff like that. A little bit more for a wide footer. So if you go true to size like I did, you should be all right. Now, when you flip open the box, you're also going to get greeted with this little shopping bag, this little grocery shopping bag, which is really cool. Like I said, it's all of the attention to details, ladies and gentlemen, that make these collaborations worth it, in my opinion. You know, some of the collabs you come to get nowadays, they're pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And I personally, if you're going to upcharge the price for a collab sneaker, I want all the extras included. I want the special branding, special packaging. I want, you know, doesn't have to be a grocery bag, but a dust bag. I want the extra laces. I want it to feel like it's worth that extra price tag. Now, you are also going to get some special branding paper. Looks just like a newspaper, so you'll see that on there. And then just lists all the locations that the A Ma Maniére branded families, so Social Status, A Ma Maniére, and APB store are located. I'm going to show you that all on the paper. And then when you open it up, you're going to get these shoes. Now, I got to be completely honest with you guys. I have not been a super big fan of these Nike Attacks. However, this one kind of caught my eye because it's a very clean, simple colorway. Very, you know, traditional color blocking. And it's also pretty cool because some of the features wear off of the sneaker. Like this back right here on the Nike. This is all kind of like a peel away satin material. As well as the swoosh, this nylon swoosh actually can rip apart. And it has a different color underneath. Like I said, all of these little fine details really add up to something special in a collaboration. And I think they hit the nail on the head with these. Very simple colorway. Pretty cool color blocking, in my opinion. It's pretty just like standard. You know, you got the white. You got the little crackled, you know, suede or nubuck. Or I don't actually know what this material is. It's pretty soft, so I don't think it's a suede. It might be just like a crackled leather or something like that. You know, and then you have the white mesh all over, which is gonna make these things pretty breathable. And also, just for you guys to note, it's a very, very light sneaker, so it should be pretty comfortable overall to wear as well for long extended periods. And also, just a quick little thing, you'll see from the overhead shots, like I said, but you're gonna get the extra set of laces. I believe you're gonna get a white, or it's like a creamish sail pair And then also, I think, yeah, so you're going to get 2 sets. You're going to get the creamish white sail pair, and you're also going to get a nice pine green inside the box as well, which I think is pretty cool. They come standard up, laced with just a generic white, not a sail. It's just a regular white lace. So it's pretty cool that they added the cream colored and then also that pine green. And again, like I said, with the packaging, the laces come in like the little box. It says laces on there, and it's almost like a little candy box. It makes, like I said, everything feel just that a little bit more special. I mean, like I said, I think that's why, honestly, I have really pretty much liked the collabs in the past with the Amaminiere brand and Social Status, because they do seem to go above and beyond on some of their collaborations. Unlike other, brands that do collabs with Nike and Jordan, sometimes it's just kind of a generic, plain, simple collab. And when they go the extra mile, it does mean something. Now, for the meat and potatoes of this sneaker, the only difference that you're going to note on the right pair from the left pair is going to be the tongue. So on the one tongue, which is the right shoe, you're going to get just the Nike and the swoosh with the pine green, and then the Nike and swoosh is in white. And then on the left shoe, you're going to get the pine green tag with the orange Social Status branded logo. Really cool, nice attention to detail. On your insole, it's just going to be kind of a standard insole. However, you are going to get that all the locations, like I said, of the APB, Amaminiere, stuff like that. So it's going to list off like a little checklist, almost like a notepadded checklist, which I think is pretty cool. It says Pittsburgh, Atlanta, Raleigh, Houston, Detroit, Baltimore, stuff like that. So pretty cool that they added that little flair or attention to detail. I will have the overhead shots of the insole, so you'll be able to get a better look at that. And then, like I said, pretty standard. So you're going to get like the over the eyelets, around the back of the heel tab, and on the toe box, you get this crackled little either micro suede or nubuck or something like that. Really soft to the touch, feeling real nice. Then you're going to get the white mesh paneling all throughout the upper of the sneaker. When it comes to that Nike swoosh, like I said, it is a peel away or cut away material. So you're going to get that on this silverish, whitish nylon swoosh. And then over on the back of the heel tab is that black heel tab. And then it's also going to say Nike in that pine green. That also is a wear away material and or cut away material. So you can actually cut that and you're going to get a different color underneath. Tongue is just going to be that standard nylon tongue, similar to a Jordan or a Dunk. Pretty standard nylon tongue. It looks like it's like a sailish off-white type of color. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, the outsole is just your standard outsole. Reminds me of like a waffle cone pattern. Pretty flat bottomed outsole. Just a pure black outsole with your Nike branding in black as well. And then finally on the sneaker, you are going to notice a vintaged out midsole. It is not to the extent of the Amaminiere Airships, both of the colorways that have now released. Nowhere near that. Just like a nice little subtle vintaged out midsole. So you could tell it's definitely sail with a little bit more vintaged out distressing going on. And other than that, guys, that is a very simple, pretty quick unboxing and review for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about these things down below. Have you ever picked up any of the Social Status Nike Attacks? Because they had a handful of them so far. I think this one and then also that pine green one were probably my two favorites. Very simple, very clean, extremely wearable sneaker. These things can be your everyday daily beaters, to be honest. I honestly think that that's probably what I'm going to do with my pair, is just wear them, beat them, because they're pretty comfortable sneakers. But like I said, very lightweight. And for casual use, I mean, come on. How can you go wrong with like a nice casual use? I mean, it's like that vintaged out, old school looking type of sneaker anyway, so I'm really digging them. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about them down below. Did you go for them? Did you cop them? Did you drop them? What did you do? Like I previously mentioned, guys, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. And don't forget to hit the bell. It's very important so you don't miss another one of these uploads. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill. and me and the Nike Attack social status collaboration. We're out. Peace.